Next, turn to lecture number 10, developing critical thinking skills by writing academic papers. So, overview. Critical thinking is the ability to analyze a problem or concept. The real philosophical question is, what is a problem? Once you understand what is a problem, there are steps to solve the problems. Critical thinking is the ability to define, analyze, and ultimately solve a problem. So, how to define a problem? The simple definition of a problem is something we don't understand or something we don't know how to solve. For example, we have a number pyramid logical below in figure. We need to find the missing numbers in the pyramid. Is that the real problem? If you look closely, the real problem is not finding the missing number, because if we try to do that, we could solve only one problem. The real problem here is finding how the numbers in a pyramid are related to each other, if they are. Writing essays requires more than just the ability to put words on paper. Writing essays requires more than just the ability to put words on paper. It requires critical thinking skills to analyze information, evaluate arguments, and present logical and well-structured ideas. In this lecture, we will explore expert insights and exercises that can help you develop and enhance your critical thinking skills for essay writing. Understanding critical thinking. So, critical thinking is a process of objectively analyzing, evaluating, and synthesizing information to form reasoned judgments or decisions. It involves being open-minded, questioning assumptions, and considering multiple perspectives. Critical thinkers are able to identify biases, logical fallacies, and weaknesses in arguments. Next one is about importance of critical thinking in essay writing. Critical thinking is vital for essay writing because it enables you to present well-supported arguments, develop a coherent structure, and engage with complex ideas. It helps you avoid superficial thinking and promotes intellectual rigor. Essays that demonstrate strong critical thinking skills are more persuasive and impactful. Next question will be about the developing observation and analysis skills. Observation and analysis are fundamental to critical thinking. Pay attention to details, examine evidence, and look for patterns or connections. Practice active reading and engage with the material by asking questions and making annotations. Develop the ability to identify key points, evaluate the credibility of sources, and discern underlying assumptions. Next point, enhancing logical reasoning abilities. Logical reasoning is essential for constructing coherent arguments. Learn to identify premises, conclusions, and logical relationships between ideas. Practice deductive and inductive reasoning to strengthen your ability to draw logical conclusions and make valid inferences. Avoid fallacies such as circular reasoning, hasty generalizations, and ad hominem attacks. Next tip is improving research and evaluation techniques. Effective research and evaluation skills are crucial for critical thinking and essay writing. Learn how to find reliable sources, assess their credibility, and evaluate the relevance of information. Develop a systematic approach to research, including note taking, organizing data, and synthesizing findings. Critically analyze the strengths and weaknesses of different perspectives and arguments. Next tip will be about the strengthening problem-solving skills. Problem-solving skills is an integral part of critical thinking. Practice breaking down complex problems into smaller components, identifying potential solutions, and evaluating their feasibility. Develop creative problem solving techniques such as brainstorming, mind mapping, and lateral thinking. Embrace challenges as opportunities to enhance your critical thinking skills. Next point is about the fostering creativity and originality. Critical thinking goes beyond analyzing existing ideas. It also involves generating new insights and perspectives. Cultivate creativity by exploring diverse sources of inspiration, engaging in reflective thinking, and embracing curiosity. Allow yourself to think outside the box and challenge conventional wisdom. Be open to alternative viewpoints and explore novel approaches to essay writing. Next point is about practicing effective communication. Effective communication is a crucial aspect of critical thinking in essay writing. Develop clarity in expressing your ideas and arguments. Structure your essay in a logical and a coherent manner using appropriate transitions between paragraphs. Use concise and precise language to convey your thoughts effectively. Pay attention to grammar, spelling, punctuation to ensure clarity and professionalism. Next tip is about incorporating different perspectives. Critical thinking involves considering multiple perspectives on a given topic. Engage with diverse viewpoints and seek out contrasting opinions. This helps you develop a nuanced understanding of the subject matter and strengthens your ability to construct well-rounded arguments. Be open, constructive criticism, and willing to revise your own viewpoints based on new evidence or compelling arguments. Next tip is about using evidence-based reasoning. Evidence-based reasoning is central to critical thinking. Support your arguments with relevant evidence from credible sources. Develop the ability to evaluate the quality and reliability of evidence. Use data, statistics, examples, and expert opinions to strengthen your claims. Avoid relying solely on personal anecdotes or unsupported assertions. To apply critical thinking to essay writing, start by analyzing the essay prompt or topic. Identify key concepts, assumptions, and requirements. Conduct the thorough research and gather evidence from reliable sources. Develop a clear thesis statement and outline your essay's structure. Organize your ideas logically in present well-supported arguments. Critically evaluate your own writing for coherence, clarity, and logical flow. Next one is exercises for developing critical thinking skills. What should we do? So, the first one, debate and discuss controversial topics with peers to practice analyzing arguments and defending your own viewpoint. Next one, solve puzzles, riddles, and brain teasers that require logical reasoning and problem-solving skills. Next one. Engage in active reading and take notes to practice observation, analysis, and synthesis of information. Then, write practice essays on various topics, focusing on developing logical arguments and incorporating evidence. Next, participate in group activities that require collaboration, crucial thinking, critical thinking, and creative problem solving. So, and to sum up, developing critical thinking skills is essential for effective essay writing. By honing your observation, analysis, logical reasoning, and research techniques, you can enhance the quality and impact of your essays. Additionally, practicing effective communication, fostering creativity, and incorporating different perspectives will further strengthen your critical thinking abilities. Embrace the exercises provided to continually refine your critical thinking skills and become more proficient essay writer.